Parliamentary elections will be held in Hungary on 3 April 2022 to elect the National Assembly, coinciding with a referendum. The electoral law, under which the previous two elections were held, specified the number of constituency candidates a party needed to run nationwide at 27 in at least 9 counties. On 15 December 2020, the National Assembly, in which the governing parties held the needed two-thirds majority, voted to increase the requirements to a total of 71 constituency candidates in at least 14 counties in the capital. In 2019 local elections, Democratic Coalition, Jobbik, LMP, MSZP, Momentum Movement, Dialogue, and numerous other parties or independent candidates ran in joint lists. It enabled opposition parties to win the majority in the General Assembly of Budapest and in 10 of the 23 cities with county rights. On 14 August 2020, Democratic Coalition, Jobbik, LMP, MSZP, Momentum Movement, MLP, UK and Dialogue decided to field joint candidates in all of Hungary's 106 constituencies and launch a joint program for the elections. On 15 November 2020, Democratic Coalition, Jobbik, LMP, MSZP, Momentum Movement and Dialogue agreed on running with a common candidate for Prime Minister to be selected in a primary election. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.